beautiful souls, I welcome you to my channel. If you like my videos, like my channel, please like, share, subscribe and comment, and click on the bell icon so that you get notified of all my future videos. And if you have any suggestions for me, like any topics which I should make videos on, do let me know in the comment section and I will definitely make a video on that topic. Also, I have two other tarot reading channels. One is Divinestaars Tarot, in which I do tarot in English language, and the other one is the Divinestaars Tarot in Hindi. So I have given the link in the description box below, so go visit them and like, share and subscribe to them as well if you like them. Okay, so, and yes, one more thing, if you want any of my services, that is healings, crystals, guidance sessions, courses, law of attraction advices, spiritual counseling, Vastu or Feng Shui, meditations, readings, link is there in the description box below. Feel free to visit that and contact me. Okay, so coming to today's topic, we are going to discuss about the crystals based on your chakras or specific purpose. Okay, so I'm going to explain you as simply as I can. Okay, so as you can see on your screen right now, there are these 7 chakras. From top to bottom, we have the crown chakra, the third eye chakra, the throat chakra, heart chakra, solar plexus chakra, sacral and root chakra. Okay, and as you can see, their colors. Root chakra is dark maroon or dark red in color, sacral is orange, solar plexus is yellow, heart chakra is green, and then we have throat chakra, light blue, indigo is the third eye chakra, and then crown chakra is purple. So how do we choose crystals based on the specific chakras? For that, we need to know the functions of the basic functions of each chakras. Okay, so I'm going to tell it in very short and in a very simplified way. So root chakra, okay, it is associated with anxiety, overthinking, stress, insecurity, fear, and all the negative emotions, all the negative earthly emotions, I would say, okay, which is keeping a person away from the connection to the Mother Earth. Okay, so if this chakra is balanced, one feels more secure, more grounded, more stable. And if it is not balanced, or if it is closed or partially closed, then we feel insecure, we feel fearful, and lot many things, right? Anxiety, restlessness, overthinking, because grounding is related to this chakra, right? It is the base chakra. So if the emotions don't get grounded, obviously they build up inside us and they create problems, right? If you want a more detailed explanation on chakras, I have 2 other videos on this channel. You can go and watch them as well. I will give the link in the description box below. Okay, so if you have any issues related to root chakra, related to these problems, for example, if you are an overthinker or negative thinker, or if you feel very insecure or doubtful, it also includes self-doubt. Okay, so if you are dealing with these issues, or dealing with issues related to your lower body parts, for example, legs, your groin area, your reproductive area, okay, so all these issues will be covered, will be balanced by the root chakra. Okay, so basically, if your root chakra is imbalanced, you might face all these problems. So the chakra related to root chakra, the simplest way to identify a crystal related to root chakra is based on its color. I'll not say that this is the method which is applicable every time and in case of every crystal, but yes, for most of the crystals and for a more simpler understanding on the topic, I'll say you just go by the color. Okay, so for root chakra, go with a crystal which is dark red, maroon or black in color. It can be black tourmaline, it can be red jasper, or anything which is red. Okay, I'm displaying the names of crystals used for root chakra on your screen right now. Okay, yeah, now coming to sacral chakra, it is associated with reproductive system, your creativity, your skill, your talent, your intellect, basically intellect related to your creativity. Okay, and yes, lower back issues, all the issues related to I would say the lower part of your body. Okay, basically because it is situated below the navel, So all the surrounding areas, if they face any problems, then it is a high chance that your sacral chakra is imbalanced. Okay, and if you are feeling lazy, lethargic, if you are lacking this skill, lacking this creativity in you, you lack you are feeling I'd say you feel very low about yourself, and you feel that you are incapable of doing the creative things, then definitely there is some problem with your sacral chakra. Also, as it is related to our reproductive system, I'll say any reproductive related issues, okay, any reproductive system related issues are due to the imbalance in this chakra. Or we can say vice versa, that is, if you have any reproductive issue, then there's a high chance that your sacral chakra is imbalanced. Okay, coming to crystals, any crystal which is orange in color, most likely you can go for carnelian, orange aventurine, orange calcite, and not many crystals which I'm displaying on your screen right now. Okay, now coming to solar plexus chakra, which is located approximately 6 inches above your navel. So it is yellow in color, so any yellow colored crystal, right? Citrine or yellow aventurine. Sometimes ruby is also associated with solar plexus and sacral chakra. Okay, so you can also go for ruby. Okay, so yes, the issues related to your solar plexus chakra, it is responsible for fight or flight response. Okay, so basically how you respond to emergency situations or unexpected situations, your shock response. Okay, when you're shocked, when you have this trigger of emotions, basically when you have to act very quickly, which is called fight or flight response. Okay, and all the associated symptoms related to that, that is increase in heart rate, sweating, maybe hyperventilating. So all these issues are related to solar plexus chakra along with our digestive system. Okay, so if you have any problems in your digestive system, in your abdomen, then most likely your solar plexus chakra is out of balance. Also your self-esteem, self-worth, all the things which are self. Okay, it can be your self-worth, self-esteem, self-confidence, your action towards anything, your decision making towards a thing with confidence, with clarity, everything is related to your solar plexus chakra. Okay, and I have already told you the names of crystals. And yes, now coming to your heart chakra, it is green in color, sometimes pink. It actually depends on the situations. So it is, you can say it is like green or pink in color. I'm not going to speak in detail about the color of the chakras and when it gets changed. You can watch my other video on chakra if you want a detailed description on that. So for now, let's stick to green and pink. Okay, so any crystal which is green or which is pink is definitely for your heart chakra. That is green aventurine, emerald, pyrite, rose quartz, rhodochrosite, rhodonite. Okay, all such things, all such crystals. Also, as we all know, heart chakra is located at the center of the heart, right? So it is related to feelings of love, that unconditional love, that compassion towards ourselves as well as towards others, empathy, sympathy, all these things are related to the heart chakra. And obviously the organs which are related to our heart chakra are heart, the surrounding organs like lungs, ribs. Okay, so all such things are related to our heart chakra. And sometimes if you have problems with the scapula, that is a bone present below our neck at the back side. Okay, so that is also sometimes related to your heart chakra. Okay, and kidneys, adrenals are related to our solar plexus chakra. Okay, so heart chakra, you can go for the crystals which I already told you, and you can see the crystals on your screen right now. Okay, and let's go above to your throat chakra now. That is the fifth Yeah, fifth chakra. It is located at the base of the neck, light blue in color. Its function is related to speech, okay, freedom of expression. If you feel that you cannot speak, or if you cannot put your thoughts into words, then there's a high chance that your throat chakra is imbalanced. Okay, so it is speech, it is expression, it is your vocabulary, lot many things. Okay, also the organs obviously related to the throat, they can be tonsils, they can be your larynx, your pharynx, anything, okay, related that whole throat area. Okay, and the crystal obviously light blue color. It can be blue agate, blue kyanite, sodalite, your this thing lapis lazuli. Okay, so lot many crystals, blue kyanite. You can see the names of the crystals on your screen right now. Okay, so now quickly going up to your sixth chakra, that is the most overrated chakra, our third eye chakra. It is indigo in color, located at the glabella, and that is between the eyebrows, inside your forehead. Okay, so we all know it is responsible for intuition, insight. It is basically our mind's eye, which people call as mind's eye. Your clairvoyance, your clairsentience, your basically all your clear senses are regulated by your third eye chakra as well as your crown chakra. Okay, so basically these two chakras work in combination, work simultaneously to increase your psychic abilities and your psychic senses. So you can say your crown chakra is like an internet, okay, which downloads the information, and your third eye chakra is like your computer, your laptop, or your mobile, which makes you see the information. Okay, so without any of them you cannot see the information, right? You cannot read the information. So one is a system, other one is the internet. Okay, so the crystals related to third eye chakra are any blue colored crystals, which also includes your amethyst, your lapis lazuli, your sodalite, your tanzanite, blue kyanite. Okay, now coming to the crystal for your crown chakra. It is located at the top of your head, and I have already told its function to you, and it is purple color. Crystals used are either purple color or white color. Most commonly used crystals are amethyst, clear quartz, and lot many crystals which you can see on your screen right now. Okay, so this was the information on crystals for you. I hope it was of any help to you. I tried to make a very quick video so that you all can go through the video completely, because many of you actually are not very patient to go through an entire 1 hour long video. So I will make my videos short. Okay, so this was the information for today, and you can choose the crystals based on the color of chakras and based on the problems you have, right? Obviously your third eye chakra and your crown chakra are associated with your neurological problems, your psychological problems, your psychiatric problems, right? So this is understood, right? Okay, so this is the information I have for you for this week. Now we'll meet next week with another new topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.